Hey guys, what's going on? Justin here with a BitZone episode, and today we are doing a casual couch episode. And today we are going to be talking about how to make money with Binance, how to trade with Binance, how to profit with this platform, this exchange platform. And the only way to do that is by trading or by referring people who trade on this system. So, how do you do both of those at once at the same time, like cutting butter with a warm knife? So check this out. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm making money with Binance, exactly how I'm trading on Binance, and exactly how you can start doing the same thing I'm doing today. And you're either serious or you're not. You're either skeptical or you're really looking for something. And to be honest, I was someone who got into lending platforms. The lending platforms that I got into ended up getting, shut down or leaving the US. And so I got into trading rather than sending my money away to some freaking random company in Dubai. Like, no more of doing that. So you want to trade and control your money. You want to control your Binance account, control your Bitcoin. Imagine, like, you know, if you like all this Bitcoin in my Binance account that's trading, it's in my control. So I'm going to share with you a way to control all your funds, all your crypto, and still, have more than what you had yesterday. I can't say any income guarantees. I can't promise anything. And before we continue, disclaimer: this presentation has been prepared solely for informational purposes and is not an offer to buy or sell or a solicitation of an offer to buy or sell a security, product, service, or investment, nor is it intending to provide tax, legal, or accounting advice. Placement in the crypto and forex market should be considered high-risk placements. The opinions expressed in this presentation do not constitute advice, and independent advice should be sought from a suitable qualified professional relative to your personal circumstances. There is no guarantee of income returns or income there's no guarantee of income or returns because the software does not and cannot control the market. All it does is read the market and make decisions based off of what the market does. And so, um, if you're serious, this is the page you're going to end up looking at. Um, and so it's going to be pretty cool. And then actually it's going to look like this. But so let's go over to my Binance account and let's see what's going on here. So here's how to make money with Binance. First of all, you can trade on Binance. So check this out. Dash, I bought Dash at 0.0099, right? And it's got a fee, and the total was 0.099. Okay, remember that, 0.099. Dash, it sold. Okay, there's no sold Dash on this page. All right, I've already gone through this. So Dash was sold on this page at this time. It was sold for 0.010. So it's instead of 0.009, there's one less zero. So 0.01. All right, I'm going to go back to the other Dash buy. 0.00999. Or I'm sorry, this one right here. 0.00997. And then let me highlight that, make sure you know. There you go, just in case you got a little dyslexia. 0.0099. There's two zeros after the decimal. We go here, dash, there's 1 0 after the decimal. So I'm trading for profit, and I'm getting more Bitcoin than I had yesterday. So how am I doing this? To tell you the truth, I haven't bought any of these coins or sold any of these coins with my own finger or my own thumb. So let me tell you how this works, all right? So I have a bot running for me on autopilot 24/7 that trades 15 plus altcoins while I sleep, while I play Monster Hunter, while I make breakfast, while I play with my brothers and sisters. It doesn't matter, all right? Um, I have this bot running for me 24/7. So that's how I trade, okay? And so you can see the proof right here. It works. It's making me money, and it works within my own Binance account, so I don't have to send money to some foreign country, to some foreign company that I have no idea if they're doing everything right. I have no idea how they're being compliant. I have no idea if they're just trying to, have a good few months and just pull out. You want to be in control of your own crypto, and this is how you do it. All right, this is how you do it. Um, so that's how I trade, and I don't do it, and you see it works. The next way to make money with Binance, um, excuse me, is to refer people. Okay, you refer people to Binance, and they trade. Okay, they buy and they sell and they buy and they sell and they buy and they buy and they buy. Okay, and so when people buy and sell, you earn a percentage of this fee. Okay, so I think you earn 20%. Um, not too. I think it's 20%. Not, I know it's got an affiliate program, but I haven't. I just if when there's an affiliate program and you know how to do certain things, you don't really worry about the percentages. You just worry about helping people, um, and you worry about building a real team. So I think it's 20%. So it's gonna be like an extra $2, $3, $4 every single buy and sell. Like right when I set up my bot, it purchased 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It made 9 purchases before it made a sale. So, and I funded it with $1,000. So I put $1,000 in my Binance account, and this bot trades that $1,000 worth of Bitcoin within my own Binance account. And that's why this is powerful. So, um, the reason I'm saying this is because it made 9 buys, which means if I was under you, you would have made 9 fee commissions before I actually sold, and then you even make commissions off of the sales. So, like, I funded my bot with $1,000, and immediately it made 9 purchases. So it's a very, very, very powerful affiliate program, like because um, not only do you make money on them, I'm sorry, not only do you um, have more Bitcoin than you did yesterday. Um, I can't say certain terminology because of compliance, but not only does the bot work for you, but if you share it with people, they don't have to recruit. They don't have to get their friends and family and make videos, okay? When you share this with someone and they set up their bot, you're earning the Binance commission fees, the direct sale commission, and the binary tree commissions. So, um, the power of this is being able to share this with someone and them not having to recruit to be able to be successful or quote unquote successful. So it's very powerful, this system. So that's how you make money with Binance, really, is by first of all, you click the link in the description below, justinleontemple.com. I'm going to help you set up your bot, and then once you have your bot running and making profit trades, then you just share it with someone, get them up and running, and then um, you're earning a bunch of Binance commissions. So that's how you make money with Binance. And it's actually really, really simple. We have a team, a private Facebook group that you just plug people into. They have everything step by step that they need. If they're serious, they'll get it done. If they're not serious, they won't get it done. And that's that. Like, it's just a simple connect your Binance API key to the robot and let it run. It's not any technical difficulty whatsoever. So if you want to make money with Binance, if you want to learn how to trade on Binance um, without having to do it and start earning Binance commissions, I can show you how. Just click the link in the description below, justinleontemple.com, and then you're going to watch this video on the next page right here. And then once you do that, you are going to click this button right here. And once you click that button, it's going to open up a form. And this form has a video on it, and it's a step-by-step tutorial video on how to fill out this form, how to apply for my team, and how to make sure that nothing messes up. And so once you watch the video, you're going to understand everything, and then get to this form, and then that's that. And then once you have this form filled out and you send me what level you want to get on, then I'm going to create your account, and you're going to get an email from CWE, Crypto World Evolution, and with your login information, and that's that. Just make sure to follow this tutorial video step by step, and nothing will be lost. Nothing, there will be no questions whatsoever. So thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn how to make money with Binance, or anything to do with Binance, this is how I'm doing it. This is the best way to do it. This is the safest and most compliant way to do it. So make sure to use the link down below and get your own robot set up and start sharing this with people. And the best part is that your people don't have to refer people to actually start profiting. So make it a great day. I appreciate you being here. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe for future videos and hit the bell notification. Every video I put out is here to help you in some way, shape, or form. I always put out legit videos, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification and comment anything that you have thoughts on, anything you have questions on down below. Obviously, the video is going to answer a lot of your questions right here, and so this video right here. So make sure to watch that video if you have any questions, and I will see you on the inside. Make it a great day, and talk soon.